Get yourself down to Unity Beach this weekend, guys. We've got a big sale on. Got caravans from $24,995. Yeah. Site fees will be paid till 2027. With our special offer we're doing, we can guarantee we can let the van out for you for the next 2 years. Guaranteed, guys. Call this number. Yeah. Come down. Ask for Damo. Damo, what's your number?
07976 827734.
And it's going to be carnage here tomorrow night. It's going to be party after party after party. And the Wonky Donkey will be open in a couple of weeks, Damo. No, 24.
23rd.
Look at the new signs, guys. Come and have a bit of crazy golf. Come and have a bit of fun. Get yourself to Unity. It's going to be, if the weather's like this, we're expecting record crowds down in Unity Beach. It's going to be amazing, Damo. Look, all the new flags are up, guys. We've got some vans here for you to look at as well. So if you want to come and look at these, you're more than welcome, okay? Got the Willoughby, got the old donkeys.
All right, Nige.
Yeah, get yourself down here, guys. Hey, hook us up, yeah? See you soon. Ask for Damo.
Bye.
Hey, I'm down at Unity Beach today, guys. Friday, just before the bank holiday. Make sure you come down. It's lovely and quiet down here. Can't believe how quiet it is. Can you, Damo?
No, it is quiet. It's a beautiful day, though.
Hey, make sure you subscribe to the channel, by the way, right? People don't subscribe, and look at this lovely lake. Now, the reason I'm showing you the lake is for one reason only. This Boston Lodge, made by Willoughby, okay, has come available down here, Damo, and I want to show it to you guys. Yeah, it's up for sale for $169. Yeah, on this location, and it's having a deck in, okay, and includes the site fees, and you can have 2-year guaranteed income. So I haven't got to pay any site fees for 2 years on this one. Okay, look at the location. You can park 2 cars in here. 2 cars in here, Kev. Lights, camera, action. When's the decking come in?
Next 2 weeks.
And you need to order the TVs. Please.
What size TVs you putting in?
60 inch.
60?
60 inch today.
Like a cinema screen.
Listen, I'm in a good mood. There's a portable going in yours. Right, guys, look at this. Size of this. Just so you don't complain, it's not ready yet for sale. You're just having a sneak preview. We haven't kitted it out and put all the curtains up. It only got finished yesterday, Damo. Okay? But look at it. Big sliding opening doors. Gorgeous. Brand new Willoughby, Boston. I think it's 40 by 20. Or is it 44?
40 by 20.
40 by 20.
This is huge, this one.
I just love the wood texture and this marble tops. I just
Yeah.
think it's gorgeous. Brand new, loads of cupboard space, loads. Look at this gorgeous sofa. Look at that size of that cloakroom. Just have a look at that.
We've got a Valiant boiler as well. They're top of the range, they are.
Well, they never break down, hopefully not. So double glazed, central heated. This is a residential spec, Damo. Look at the cupboard space. All brand new. Yeah, look at that. Do you love the newness, smell and newness?
Beautiful, isn't it?
That's the curtains for the patio.
Nige, can you just explain to the people looking about the finance options? With
Finance, 11.9 APR at the minute.
Okay.
Fixed rate, so it doesn't go up or down. It stays the same for the period you take it. So you could do it from 2 years to 10 years. If you want to go over 10 years, the payments are really low. This is for sale for $169. You need a 10% deposit and we can hook you up with the finance, okay? We'll do all that for you. All you need to do is come down, speak to Damo. He's the finance manager. He'll do everything for you, okay? That's his job. What's your number?
07976 827734. So, and then we
Look
can
at
also do a little bit of the renting side of things with this.
2 years guaranteed because we're fully booked for 2 years. It's that popular lodges here. Because not that many.
Guaranteed or 2 years letting?
2 years letting and guaranteed.
Guaranteed.
You can have it off the price or towards next year's fees. We'll explain that when you come down. People won't believe me, but we're booked for lodges for next 2 seasons. It's that popular here, mate.
Oh,
This is Unity Beach.
Very popular.
This is the best park I've ever worked on. Best park I've worked on.
But I've never known you to be able to do 2 years guaranteed.
Look at the size of this bedroom. Well, I'm telling you, now I've got it all in writing, so you can have it in writing. Look at this. Look at the vanity space. Look at that. For the missus. You could close that off and have another bedroom.
That's enough for her bags.
That's enough in there. Well, shower in here, and this comes with a bath. Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it?
What size is that bed?
So this bed will all be dressed nicely when I do the next video. Okay, you can put a TV on the wall. I feel a bit frustrated showing you the van when it's not all dressed, but I wanted to give you a preview, guys.
Just a sneak preview.
Well, if you snooze, you lose with these. They're hard to get hold of.
Aren't they?
They're hard
they
to
are moving quick, and that's where we're going to put the TV on the wall there.
hard to get hold of, mate. So you got the double room as well. You got 2 double rooms really. You have a look in there because I'll be in the way. But you got 2 beds can go together. Yeah.
Oh, look, there's a bath.
Bath, everything, mate. 3 foot wide beds, marble tops, mate. Marble tops.
Another area for getting changed and another.
What's in there? I hadn't been here.
Yeah, look, like another walk-in wardrobe as such.
This is gorgeous, mate. Beautiful. That beeping, obviously, we've got to change the battery in the smoke alarm. They
There you
do
go.
that, so you test them, yeah? They all do that, so you test them. But, Damo, hook me up or hook you up in the comments. Come down and see it. The beauty of this one is the sea... Sorry, not the sea view. And he said the sea view. I've lost the plot. It's to what?
You got the lake view.
Lake. And he said the pond then. Or we can call it a swimming pool. It's up to you.
Lake view. Hold on, we've got some tripod here.
There you go. So, any questions, Damo?
Yeah, give us a call. Any questions on the lodge? Give us a call. Decking should be going up in the next couple of weeks.
Comes with site fees as well, all paid this year.
Site fees all paid for the rest of this year. You
TVs
can
in it.
offset next year's site fees as well if you want to do a bit of renting out. We can organise the finance packages. We can do everything you want us to do. Really, just come down, bring your credit card, and I'll look after you.
Come down and see us, guys. Hey, thank you for watching, and have a fantastic weekend. Hey, good afternoon from Unity Beach in Somerset. I'm down here with the main man, Damo, the top salesman here. All right, I'm going to show you this Willoughby Hayward, top of the range, 2-bed, for sale. Hey, listen, it's not ready yet, by the way. Just giving you a sneak preview, Damo, yeah? Because it'll be sold really quick because of the location. Look at the location if you're a fisherman. Remember we used to have those old pods on you when I first got here 6 months ago, Dame?
Yeah.
Look at it now, boy. Decking's got to go on. That's ordered for next week, okay? It'll have all the inventory in it, all kitted out. It'll be gorgeous. Sofas are gorgeous. Look at this swivel chair, look. Swivel chair. This is my chair. If I come home for a cup of tea and a glass of wine. Yeah. Put the kids there to play. Look at that little area. That's gorgeous, isn't it?
Nice little dining area.
Lovely, lovely kitchen. Lovely lounge. Get a big TV on the wall, yeah? That beeping, by the way, we need to change the batteries and the smoke alarm. That'll all be tested. Look at the space in it. How big's this, Kev?
40 by 20.
40 by 20, that's Kev.
It's huge, isn't it?
It's gorgeous, I love it. It's got washing machine in it. Is it in
Dishwasher.
and dishwasher?
Yeah.
Look at this washing machine, Damo.
Washer dryer. They
Beautiful.
normally are, aren't they?
Lovely, isn't it? I think we should get one more for the country club. Nice coloured one before he runs out. Because they're selling fast. So,
High level cookers as well.
this has got a lovely bath in it. Okay, have a look at this bath. Lovely bath. Beautiful unit, isn't it? What? I think the first to see this will buy it.
It's beautiful.
So you can part exchange into this, by the way, or you can buy it as a new customer.
Another twin room.
Yeah. So the beauty of this one as well is you've got a huge bed, loads of space, residential spec, and you've got an ensuite in here, mate. Go and have a look in there.
Oh, you've got a walk-through wardrobe.
Walk through wardrobe, ensuite, loads of cupboard space. Loads of space. Isn't it?
Yeah.
What do you think?
That's a big shower. Big corner shower, that.
Lovely. And then you've got the bath as well. So you've got best of both worlds. Then you've got the shower and the bath. But this is all about location. This is on the brand new development, Primrose Way.
Hold on, is this 3-bed?
No, this is 2-bed, this one.
No, this one's a 3-bed unit. You've got a twin room there,
Oh, you found another bedroom.
Another
Hey,
bedroom.
bonus day today. What a day. Right, so guys, if you're interested, contact Damien. Contact Damien. What's your number, mate?
It's 07976 827734.
So try and come down the weekend and have a look at this lovely Willoughby. When does the exhibition start? Saturday or Sunday?
Saturday.
Saturday. So just come down, have a look, grab the keys. If you want to have a look in private, you're more than welcome.
We'll
Well-
just take the keys and go and have a look at it themselves.
100%.
Yeah, that's fine, isn't it?
Come in. We love to see you. So, hey, listen, thanks for watching and have a good afternoon.
Have we got a price on this one?
Yes, 169.
169.
Yep.
Excellent. Guys, if you're interested, give us a call.
169.
Number.
Finance available. Deposit. Oh, I forgot to tell you. You can have this guaranteed let if you want for 2 years and not pay any side fees till 2027. Yeah, so you can guarantee. We're fully booked on the lodges for the next 2 years. So if they're interested, you can just hook us up, ring you, come and see me, ask for Kevin, my dad. He's over there. Okay.
You're right. Yeah.
So he'll help as well. So thanks for watching.
Cheers, guys.